Hi, in this video you're going to learn how to use the new editor in the Template Manager. First, go to the Template Manager from the dashboard, and here you can select any letter, any template. I'm gonna use something here. Okay, as you can see, now we have these 3 bars that you can use for many actions. One important, or two, the most important ones maybe, is this one, that it will change the toolbar to a smaller one, maybe with the basic stuff, bold, italics, numeral lists, bullet lists, doing a link and showing the source file, the source code, like this one, or going to the big toolbar. Okay, so here, well, we have many more. This one to add a new page, which is important. This one to preview, to print, to you can have small templates already done, essentially to have the layout, obviously not in a template that is already designed, but in an empty template is useful. Here to cut, to copy whatever is selected. So for example, if I have selected this, I can copy with this. Paste without, or as plain text without formatting. This one is paste from Word, so you have, this one is to do undo and redo. Like for example, if we add something here, we can undo that or redo that. To find inside, to replace, very useful too. This is to select all, to select like Control A, equivalent, to do a spelling check. This one is to create a form with check boxes, review boxes, text fields, text areas, selection fields, buttons, and image buttons. Here is to add also a hidden field to a form. So all this is part of the form. Bold, italics, underwritings, strikeout, subscript, superscript. This one is to remove the format from things that already you have put some format, bold, italics, etc. List, number list, bullet list, indent, outdent, quotation block, division block. This is to format left, centered, right, justify, and this is to have the direction from left to right or right to left, and change the language, for example. Then you can add an image, and this is important to make a differentiation from this image where you need to put a URL. So the image must exist in somewhere in a website, and you're going to retrieve, or the template is going to retrieve that form from the website, versus you can put a link to, etc. But versus the images that we use here, or that we can use here, that will be permanent to the template. So in other words, can be uploaded to these fields, and then a symbol can be inserted, and you can look for that in another video. It's not in this one. So image, flash, table, horizontal line, emoticons, and special characters like trademark, for example, or registered. And you can insert the page break for printing. Okay, and an iframe, which is essentially you can grab data or put data from another website that is going to look part of this template. And so here we have different styles and formats, like the regular font, different headings for whatever you have selected, different fonts, different size, color, text color, like for example, if I want to put this one in red, text color here, and background color. And this one will maximize, this is kind of a very important, it will maximize the screen here, so it's really useful. And then you click again to minimize here to the other type of bar. And this is to show blocks if you have tables and stuff like that. And the help that explains pretty much everything. So that's it. Enjoy it, and also notice before I go that the symbols to define the different merge fields have changed. Now, instead of having a double angle bracket, we have a square bracket, which is necessary for this new type of templates that you can edit as HTML. So just be aware of that. So obviously when you click here to select, or anywhere for that matter, is going to add the symbol with square bracket. And if you have a double square bracket, okay, for example, this one is a double square bracket, this one will disappear when you print. This is only to give you a comment, to give you some tips here, and that's that. Okay, so thank you, enjoy it.